few moments later.
This is Great Huts in Portland, and they don't mind the messiness of the room right now, but the architecture of the room is basically it's influenced by African culture. So this is one of the huts. It is called the African Sunrise, and it's really cool. But I live like a caveman. It's a little vibe, man. Yeah, man, tag one. And then the view from the hut is this, which is really nice. I'm just gonna show you a view of how breathtaking the sea is. Like nature, you're into nature, this place would be good for you. There's not much here to do, but it's a really good getaway, like for a day or so. It's really nice.